Hi, my name's Bill McKay. Welcome to Tech Talk. Today we're going to talk about the new Dell Latitude 9430. This has got the latest 12th generation processors. Let's get it open and see what we've got. 100% recycled packaging. This looks really slick. Funky little box that it comes in. Got our power adapter hidden in here. Geez, that's light. What have we got in here? Oh, it's just the power cord. It's tricking me. Get rid of those. Nothing under there. Interesting. Okay, get rid of that. Now we've got this funky box. Let's see what's inside. Wow, this is pretty flash packaging. Instructions, no one looks at them. Here's the power adapter. That's nice and compact, look at that. 65 watt USB-C, get rid of that. Don't need that. What have we got under the covers? Here we go. Ooh, it's shiny. This is a nice, really nice matte grey finish, aluminium, polished aluminium around the sides. It feels really good. Feels nice and solid. Rip open the inside, here we go. All the protection. Yeah, that's really nice device. Also built-in power button with fingerprint reader built into that. So that's a cool feature. This Dell Latitude 9430 has got some great specs. It's available in i5 12th generation processors or i7 with Intel graphics with a 16:10 resolution up to 2560 by 1600. You've got two memory options, 32 gig or 16 gig DDR5 soldered to the main board. We've got a full high definition IR camera embedded in the top bezel. Generation 4 PCIe SSD drives in this, up to 1 terabyte of capacity. That's super fast. You've got Wi-Fi 6E, the latest generation. Also, you can configure this with 5G LTE connectivity, allowing you to work from pretty much anywhere. It's got all the standard ports. You've got HDMI, a micro SD card slot for a bit of added storage, a 3.5mm jack for audio, headphones, microphone, a standard USB port, but the key differentiator here is dual Thunderbolt 4 ports with up to 40 gigabits per second transfer rate. This is a really sleek design machine. Looks great. It'll fit the bill pretty much anywhere. I'm Bill, fits me. Looks cool under your arm when you're walking into meetings. It's really sleek design. If you need any further information on the Dell Latitude range, please don't hesitate to contact the team at Blue Connections. I'm Bill McKay. Thanks for watching Tech Talk. We'll see you again soon.